everyone. I am Chef Vishali Gupta with special guest Neeti Keswani, who loves dishing out content marketing strategies for you.
Hi Vishali, thank you so much for having me in the studio.
As smartphone users are escalating, you have a chance to connect with your target customers and produce substantial leads for your business. So tell me, Neeti, what are you cooking for our viewers today?
Today I'm going to share with you WhatsApp marketing recipe for business success. It's a typical dish that will add flavor to your marketing strategies, but mostly no one thinks it is a simple DIY. Without much ado, let's get started.
So, what all do we need for this, Neeti?
For this, you need brand logo, your business story, your brand story, your key service offerings, exciting pictures of your products, some cool videos, blogs, success stories, testimonials, exciting offerings, and of course, targeted audience phone numbers.
Okay, so once we have all that we need, how do we make it?
The first step to using WhatsApp marketing strategy is having a personal brand persona. Next step is to understand who is your customer. Then create a marketing campaign with a clear objective, that is maybe of attracting an X amount of serious leads. Create crisp messages for your target customer. Use WhatsApp to send interesting images and videos to your target audience. Once they start engaging with your content, start replying to their comments. You will see once you start reaching out to your right audience on a consistent basis, you will start receiving response in a humongous amount. Leverage these to attract the right client for you. Because we all understand that when we talk to our prospective clients and understand their pains and find solutions according to our business model, then success is inevitable. Use WhatsApp for better customer engagement and brand positioning. That's my first tip. You can use it as a tool for endorsing new varieties of your products or offers that are available, maybe at discounted rates. Use WhatsApp as a marketing survey tool to acquire ideas and innovative short details concerning the product use. Use WhatsApp for building an effective team through the creation of WhatsApp groups for discussing new works, task updates, meeting timings, work deadlines, etc. etc. Use this free messaging platform in a way that it is effective for your business. It could be good as a marketing strategy for every small and medium sized company while it is being used intelligently. So, once you have the ingredients and you follow this method, you will see your marketing strategy is ready in no time. It serves your target customers and you will have gains in terms of qualified leads and serious referrals. But, but, there is a secret ingredient to this recipe. Vishali, would you like to spell it out for our viewers?
Okay, guys, so there is a secret ingredient to this recipe which will make this recipe more delicious. It can be anything for anyone. And that secret recipe is your passion or honesty or something that is totally unique to you and your business. The secret ingredient is nothing but the most important, valuable ethic of your own business.
So, apply your secret ingredient and see the results.
Let's try this recipe this week and do like and comment and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Everest TV will be dishing out more recipes in the coming episodes. Neeti, thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.
Signing off for now, guys. Love and peace from us to you. Bye.